we are beginning with a new concept, which is quadratic equation. Let us go back to our polynomials and try to figure out what are polynomials. I have written few examples: x cube plus 1, x square plus 1 by 2x plus x की power n plus x cube, x 2, 0, x plus 1 by x. Then I have written root x. Now if somebody asks you to figure out what is a polynomial, then all of us know that polynomials are those algebraic expressions which has the variable power. The power of the variable is is equal to a whole number. So this we have already done when we were doing our chapter polynomial. So I know this is not a polynomial, this is not a polynomial. Now this is a polynomial, this is called zero polynomial. This is a constant polynomial. This is a polynomial of degree 1. This is a polynomial of degree 3 because the highest power of the variable is 3 here. Now look at this. This is again a polynomial. Here the fraction is there, but it is with the constant, so it does not matter. So the highest power of the variable here is power n. So this is a polynomial of power n. Now what is then, suppose if I write x square plus x plus 1. Is this a polynomial? Yes, this is a polynomial. This is having degree 2. So this is a polynomial of degree 2. Now this polynomial of degree 2 is actually known as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. This word quadratic has come from a Latin word which is quadratus. Quadratus. This is a Latin word. And इसका meaning क्या होता है? The meaning is square. So I can see a squared term here, and this is the reason this quadratic polynomial is called quadratic. And now if I equate this to 0, maybe any other constant, now it has become, if I equate it to 2 suppose, then it becomes x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you can equate it to any constant, any number, any variable. Whatever you equate it to, the final answer has to come in this form. Now maybe I have equated x square plus x plus 1. This was our quadratic polynomial to x. Then this x cancels and I get x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So now that equation ka symbol, equal to symbol, has come in between. So it is called quadratic polynomial. Now why is this quadratic equation? This is quadratic equation because the highest power of the variable is 2. Now can this be equal to 0? Just think of this. What if I equate x square plus x plus 1 is equal to x square only? Now this x square cancels, so this is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation. Why is this not quadratic? Because the power of the highest power of the variable is 1 here. So now this is linear. That means what is the condition? The condition is that x की power 2 should be there in my equation. So now comes the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Standard form of quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form of quadratic polynomial? No, we'll write equation directly. What is the standard form? The standard form says ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You can see this is somewhat similar to what we wrote earlier. It is like x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It can be x square plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. It can be 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So such quadratic equations. Now how will you come to know whether this is quadratic or not? I hope everybody is clear with this, because the highest power of the variable should be 2. Now there might be a question, can this be equal to 0 or this be equal to 0? Yes, of course. If I write x square is equal to 0, this is also quadratic. If I write x square plus 1 is equal to 0, this is also quadratic. If I write x square plus x is equal to 0, this is also quadratic. Now this can be 4, this can be x square plus 2x is equal to 0, this is also quadratic. So the only condition which I have is that x square wali term honi chahiye, and that means a cannot be equal to 0. So my standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 with a condition that a is not equal to 0. You have to remember that a should not be equal to 0. Rest, whatever is there, whatever is not there, it does not matter. They all are quadratic equations. So remember, this quadratic equation is standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. So I have taken up some examples just to show that what is actually quadratic equation. Now if somebody is asking me check whether this is a quadratic equation or not, what will I do? I'll just solve it. X square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is equal to x square. I'll apply the formula x minus 2 whole square. So x square plus 4 minus 4x. Now this x square get cancelled. So you can very easily see that this is 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation. Since the highest power of the variable is not equal to 2, so it is not a quadratic equation. What is it actually? It is a linear equation. Now let us write one more example. Suppose if somebody says x plus 1 by x is equal to 0. Is this quadratic? I can check. I can take x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 0. Then x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Is this quadratic? Yes, it is quadratic. Now if somebody asks you what are the values of a, b and c, so how will I compare this? I have to compare this to x square plus 1. So I'll write x square plus 0x because x वाली टर्म यहाँ पर है नहीं, प्लस में 1 is equal to 0. Now अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है in front तो I can take this as 1. So a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1, b की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 0 and c की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1. Now suppose in there is one more equation, x square plus 1 is equal to 2x, and now they are asking you the values of a, b and c. So the first thing which I have to do here is I have to write x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 because my standard form says highest power, then lower and then lower. Now write down your standard form again. Plus c is equal to 0. Now here you can see यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो 1 है. So a की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1, b की वैल्यू क्या होगी, you have to check the coefficient of x. तो x का coefficient is -2. You cannot miss this minus sign. So it is -2 and c की value is 1. Now suppose this is a quadratic equation. You can write this as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now if I compare, I can very easily see that the value of a is equal to -1. Why is this -1? Because the coefficient of x square is -1. Then value of b is equal to -2 and the value of c is equal to 2. So in this video what we have tried to understand is what are quadratic equations, what are the standard form of quadratic equations, and then how do you find out the values of a, b and c.